Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a quick video because some of you have actually mentioned you had that problem, and it seems that a lot more people are now coming forward with this same problem. So when Windows 11 22000, which was the first build, came out, there was a problem with detecting the security of the computer. And when you went to the Windows security app, in the device security, a lot of people had a problem, and it said that the security of the device wasn't correct. Now, that was fixed in an update at some point, and it was okay. But it would seem that some people are complaining that at 22,621, where we are now, which is the official OEM release, some are seeing this again. So obviously I don't have the problem. What happens is that your Windows security app will tell you something's wrong, and here in device security you'll see that a message that's going to say that your minimum, all the security features of this computer are not there or they're missing. And of course your computer probably has everything fine and everything working right. So if you do have that, it seems that a lot of people are complaining. It's one of the most commented and the most upvoted feedback hub problem at the moment. So I would guess that in the next bug fixing updates that are going to have for Windows 11, this is going to be fixed. So if you see anything wrong with the device security tab in the Windows security, it tells you that you don't have the security needed and so on, but it was fine before. It's a known issue, and I guess it will be fixed at some point. So it's kind of funny that the official finalized version, as they call it for manufacturing and for release, actually brings back a bug that was fixed many months ago. So kind of weird. So something probably triggers this, I would guess. So it seems that it's Windows 11 not being able to detect and see correctly the different security features of your computer. So don't worry if you have that problem. It'll probably be fixed at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.